Good afternoon, everyone. Francisco Isaula here, the AZ Bearded Realtor. And I'm bringing a virtual open house to you. With everyone being stuck inside and required not to come outside, I want to make sure that I'm still taking care of all of my clients. I know that everyone is stuck inside right now for good reasons. We want to make sure that we're doing all the precautions that we can, and with that, open houses are becoming very regulated. So I want to make sure that since you can't come to me, I'm going to go to you. Stay tuned. Today I'm at 14032 West Litchfield Knoll in Litchfield Park, Arizona. It's a part of the Litchfield Greens community. And what I'm going to show you today is an amazing property that is 2,645 square feet, sits on a 19,000 square foot lot, 3-bedroom, an extra den office, and an additional study. It has a 3-car garage. It's got 3 citrus trees, grapefruit, oranges, and lemons. Plantation shutters with so many windows for natural, beautiful light. You definitely don't want to miss seeing this property. So I got to tell you a little bit about the home. Now let me show it to you. When you first walk in, you notice the open floor plan. You'll see these massive windows that let in so much natural light. You'll also notice the 12-foot high ceilings, which just makes the space around it look so big. You'll see so many custom features within this home. The tile on the floor divided by additional tile that separates every room. Absolutely gorgeous. To your left, you'll see the office den, which also has a massive window that has plantation shutters. Now these plantation shutters run through the house, and you'll notice that. Down the hallway, you come to your first half bathroom, your powder room. Then you come to your gorgeous kitchen. Lets in natural light with more windows. You have granite countertops, beautiful cabinetry. Appliances are great. All appliances stay with the home. You have your bay window that you can look at. The stove is also piped for gas. As you go down, you also have your laundry room, which is such a great room to utilize for the additional space, additional pantry, and just somewhere you can keep everything close together. Through that door, you also have your 3-car garage. Heading back towards the dining area, to your left, you'll see a nice, beautiful nook area for seating. Great for utilizing, great seating time for reading, just allowing yourself to sit down for a bit. This dining area comes with a fireplace, which makes great for great ambiance. Now we're going to the other side of the room, for the other side of the house. On the other side of the house is the master bedroom. Once you walk in, you'll see how great and big these windows are, again with those plantation shutters. Beautiful size. Those high ceilings make it look so large. As you walk into the bathroom, to your left you have your jetted tub, stand-up shower, and a walk-in closet. It also has a bathroom that closes as well, which is much needed. You'll have your dual sinks, and you'll see the extra high counters as well, which is really nice. Nice features. As you go down the hallway, you'll see more windows, more plantation shutters. To your left, you'll see a utility closet for more storage. You'll come to your second full bathroom, which will have the high sink counters, dual sinks, your first bedroom, also with the plantation shutters. Just a gorgeous house. You'll see tile throughout the house. Now this is your study room. This room can be utilized as a specialty room for anything. For an additional office, for a game room, for a playroom, for really anything that you need. This is your other bedroom. That window faces the front of the house, so that window you'll be able to see the street. Now I'll take you to the backyard. As you saw, it's capable for an RV gate. And this yard is absolutely massive. It sits on 19,000 square feet. So I'm taking you to the other side of the house so you can see that there's just an area that's unutilized. Just an area of rock that you can use for whatever your imagination has. And here I'm just showing you the rest of the yard. To your right, there's the citrus trees, the orange, the grapefruit, and the limes. Just an absolutely gorgeous yard for entertaining. If you have any question, my information is here. Have a wonderful day.